If I handed you $1,000 today, would you know what to do with it? Would you multiply it or accidentally waste it on Uber Eats and Amazon deals you don't remember ordering? Let me show you how I would invest $1,000 in 2025, step by step, not just to grow wealth, but to lay the foundation for financial freedom. No gimmicks, no hype, just real strategy that anyone, yes, even you with $200 in your checking account, can apply starting today. Most people your age aren't broke because they're lazy. They're broke because no one ever taught them how to use money as a weapon, how to make it work harder than they do. And here's the scary truth. Waiting to learn this will cost you. Inflation? It's real. Market volatility? It's accelerating. The longer you sit on your money, the less power it holds. You don't need to be a millionaire to start investing smart. You just need a system. So here's what I'd do. If I had to build from 1,000, starting from zero in 2025. Before we invest a single dollar, we set up our moat. I'd stash $100 into a high-yield savings account. Why? Because emergencies happen. Flat tires, job layoffs, your dog swallows your AirPods. And no, selling your Xbox on OfferUp is not a real safety net. $400 goes straight into an S&P 500 ETF like VOO or SPY. Why? Because you're not just betting on one stock. You're betting on America's top 500 businesses. In the last 40 years, even with crashes, the market averaged over 10% returns. That's the power of owning a slice of the system, not fighting it. And hey, if you think you're smarter than Warren Buffett, go ahead and skip this step. But I'll be quietly compounding. But what if you want a little more control? A little more edge? $200 would go into one or two thematic ETFs, AI, green energy, or cybersecurity. These are the industries building tomorrow. Investing here is like getting a ticket to the next economic revolution before the gates close. Just don't go all in on crypto coins named after dog breeds. Transition. Now, what if you want income? Money that pays you while you sleep. $200 goes into dividend-paying stocks. Companies like Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, or Realty Income. These aren't moonshots. These are cash flow machines. Every quarter you get a check just for owning a piece of the business. Emotional trigger. Excitement of earning while doing nothing. Cliffhanger, and finally the most important investment, one most people ignore. The last $100, it goes to you. A course on coding, a book on negotiation, a membership in a professional community. Because the fastest ROI in 2025 isn't in stocks, it's in skills. One that helps you earn more, build faster, and escape the paycheck-to-paycheck loop. Emotional trigger, empowerment, transformation. Just maybe skip the $97 Manifest Abundance Bootcamp. You need skills, not spells. You don't need $10,000. You need a plan. With $1,000 and the right moves, you're not just investing money, you're rewriting your future. The next question is, how do you keep growing from here? I've got you. Tap the video on screen now. How to invest your money wisely for your next move. I'll see you there.